How to follow every trade and signing of NFL free agency commanders. Well, if you're a fan of the Washington Commanders and want to track every free agent signing, trade, and roster move during the National Football League offseason, here are a few easy steps. First thing first, you need to check the Commanders' official website. You need to visit commanders.com. They have a dedicated free agency tracker where you can see every player who signs, resigns, or leaves the team during the offseason. Well, the next thing you can try doing is follow sports news sites. You can also follow big sports sites like ESPN. They keep a running list of every commander signing with analysis and updates throughout the offseason. Once done, you can also turn on alerts from sports app. For real-time updates, download apps like ESPN or NFL and follow the commanders. Turn on notifications so you get alerts the moment a new free agent signing is announced. And if you want every single commander's move instantly, the best combo is to follow Adam Schefter on Twitter or Instagram. Move into your Instagram and in the search bar you need to search for Adam Schefter. Once you're in their profile, you need to simply click on follow and follow this person, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.